Yeah.
Alright, you're going to take your sail strings off.
Okay, right in here. That shows where we're going.
Okay. Just leave it right there. I'm paying attention so when he's driving I can do it.
Yeah. Yep.
See, we get good.
Yep.
And I just do it from here. Hopefully. I gotta help it.
Oh, you got it tied off. It's over here on this side.
Oh yeah, I remember now. Okay. See, Robin, this right here's got a shackle. That's funny. No wonder it wouldn't raise, huh?
That's why it was so hard.
This has to go on top of the cleat. Is that a cleat, Dwayne?
That's a snout ring.
Right here, Robin.
Oh.
I think so. This, right?
The one up there is usually the one you want to use.
This one here?
Yeah.
Undo the rope that's on it now.
Yeah, take that one off.
What are you looking for?
The handle. The handle?
I don't know where it
Right
is.
here.
That stinks. That was a little bit like burning fuel.
I don't know if you could do this, Robin.
Sure I can.
Sure.
I'm going to.
You got a C on her license?
Yeah.
No, it's a V, not a
a
C.
V.
A V for vessel.
Oh.
Okay, now I just kind of do it until I...
Pull it tight and lock it down.
Good enough, huh?
Did you get it? Yeah.
Should I go 3 times instead of 2?
Well, you don't have to, yeah. No, that's fine right there. I think. But that other one, you're going to have to tighten it up. Yeah, wrap it around that cleat.
Make it center?
Yeah, that's about right. About right there. Lock it down right there.
The cleat's kind of broke. Oh, and then maybe, well, I can't
Yeah,
lock
you
it.
need another cleat there. I seen that.
If you lock it here, is that going to work?
Well, you ain't got to lock it. Just yeah, it'll work
Okay.
as long as it'll hold it. And then get your jib ready. Remember how to do that one?
Yeah.
Take the red rope, throw it right there where your foot's at.
This red rope.
Yep. And undo the blue rope. And undo the blue rope over here on this side.
You watching, Robin?
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm taking notes.
They got them both.
Alright, let's see which way we're gonna go with. Which way's your wind blowing from?
That way, isn't it?
Hard to see the deal. Oh. Flowing from that way.
Pushed all the way out this side, so it looks like it's coming from that way.
Yeah, this way over here by the tower.
Alright, so you want to pull this one. Let that one in your left hand go.
Yep.
Turn it loose. You're gonna pull this one, but you gotta get your red rope. Get your red rope.
Yeah, but he didn't let the fairing out.
He's fixing to. Alright, hold it with your other hand and pull the blue rope, and you let go with the red rope and pull with the blue rope. You gotta hold on to that red rope or it'll pull it all out.
Oh, and it could go in the crank.
Yeah, that wind will snatch it out. It'll snatch it out of your hand. And all the time you don't want that because that's gonna put pressure on you down rigging.
I see.
You don't want to break it.
Can't he tie down the red one while he's pulling the blue?
You can't tie it down. You gotta let it off.
But not totally loose.
Yeah. So, that's probably enough right there. Unless you won't pull it all out. Get it all out you can.
So which one is he going to control, the jib or the main? After he gets set.
He gonna lock that one down right there where he got it. Take time,
Jib.
lock your red rope on the cleat.
There's Dwayne driving.
And then this goes up here and then around.
Yep.
Just leave it, huh?
Yep.
So, okay.
Your rope up for it, nice and neat back there. Get your blue one over here ready, because when we have to tack,
Watch
you're
your
gonna
head.
need it.
And
Well, I'm under this, so I'm good.
get this one over there. Make it look neat.
Yep.
You say.
Watch, those binoculars are pretty expensive.
You think there's just way too much rope here?
It may be a little bit too much, but you gotta remember when you turn that loose, it's gotta come all the way back around to here.
Okay, I got that.
Now I'll get you this one over here ready to work on.
But you're gonna attack?
Say mine, yeah.
Yeah.
But you want your rope ready just so when you do get ready to tack. I just get it right wound up and in a pile and throw it right there so when I get ready for it.
Get this wound up, like you say?
No, you ain't got to do that. Just get it out before you can wind it up when you get ready. Get it out the bag. Make sure you got enough out there to reach back around here to this other side. You alright?
Okay.
Don't need to freak out.
You aren't really freaking out, are you?
We
No, I
sailing.
was just kidding.
Just
We
joking.
sailing. motor sailing.
Yeah. The green buoy and the red buoy were outside the buoys, that's okay.
Yeah.
You don't necessarily have
a little bit.
right?
Right, but we're on the green side.
Okay. Yeah, it says here we are 16 feet, 18 feet. See, Robin, where we've gone? We left from there. And we're like, right now we're heading that way and we're 15 feet. I'll move the crosshairs over here, 16 feet.
Yes, these.
So it almost, the sun is kind of doing nothing. Does that mean there's hardly no wind or what?
It's low wind.
Yeah.
Look on that outlet, I tell you.
Look at what?
That avionics
Oh yeah.
says 11. Turn to the left-hand corner.
Oh. That's the 3.9. Oh, that's the
that
speed
the
we're
depth?
traveling. Total time, speed we're traveling. Does it say the wind speed?
It should say the wind speed on there somewhere. I don't see it either, but normally it does.
Distance, travel, not speed.